The customers we have asked for a specifically designed system for geometry checks in machine tools. Companies like Volvo and Scania and Sandvik had a demand for a more simple tool. They have been in the process from the beginning with how to develop the system in terms of both user interface but also fixturing. We have done geometry measurements for almost 30 years, so we developed a special user interface for machine tools. An easy-to-use system that guides you through the process. Customers like Volvo and Scania, they choose MEAX to have a standardized tool for all types of machines, and they want to have more users using the same equipment. Also, documentation is important for them because they gather information and the results from every measurement. These companies also participated in the work with standards to measure their machines. And we are now defining the international ISO standards for checking geometry in machine tools.